gas-fueled leaf blowers pollute the environment, cause fatal diseases to the people who use them, and destroy vast amounts of vital wildlife necessary for the survival of our natural environments. In 2019, the German government told its citizens leaf blowers are contributing to insect Armageddon, describing them as fatal to insects, not to be used unless absolutely necessary. According to a report bringing together information from 73 different sources, 40% of the world's insects had a sharp drop in their numbers in the last 10 years, and 1/3 of the world's insects are in danger of dying out completely. Important insects for biodiversity and small animals depend on leaves for habitat and places to lay their eggs. Fallen leaves in a natural forest are an essential part of the ecosystem and are an intricate, complex habitat for important wildlife, like bees and butterflies, which are vital for pollinating plants. Leaf blowers obliterate all the life in the fallen leaves, aggressively reducing biodiversity, and at the same time their fumes are polluting the atmosphere and are harmful to the people using them. Studies found consumer-grade leaf blowers emitted more pollutants than a large SUV. The California Air Resources Board stated that 1 hour of operating a leaf blower compared to an average large car emits 498 times as much hydrocarbons, 49 times as much particulate matter, and 29 times as much carbon monoxide. In 2020, Monterey banned leaf blowers in residential areas, citing 3 tiers of concerns about gas-powered blowers. First is the exhaust that is noxious and produces greenhouse gases. Second is the noise pollution of gas-powered blowers. And lastly is the toxic nature of the dust that any leaf blower kicks up. The 200-mile-an-hour blasts of air from a leaf blower whips up particulate matter, tiny particles of mold, fungus, spores and dried animal feces, allergens that trigger asthma, which enter our lungs and then our bloodstreams. Microorganisms that, like leaves, should be left to decompose, providing nutrients to the soil. When we disturb and prevent these tiny things from playing their role in the ecosystem, the whole balance is affected and can face collapse. In the UK alone, hedgehog numbers are down by 50% since the year 2000. They hibernate in piles of leaves. They are dependent, like so much wildlife, on something we are wasting money, time and people's health on cleaning up. Leaf blowing, spraying weed killers and pesticides destroys key elements in the ecosystem, reducing biodiversity our existence depends upon. It's time to put nature first and respect the ecosystems we all call home.